The rubber materials used in the rubber injection molding process have good elasticity, aging resistance, and extreme temperature resistance, which can combine the injection molding principle with the unique properties of the rubber material. Complex rubber plastic parts produced with this technology have exceptional dimensional accuracy and consistency, whether it's a complex gasket or other sealing rubber component. This process can continue to play an important role in a variety of industries to produce higher quality, durable, and reliable rubber products. Rubber is a highly elastic material and is the main component of injection molding. Rubber materials commonly used in injection molding include natural rubber, synthetic rubber. During the injection molding process, rubber compounds are carefully formulated with additives and fillers to enhance their performance. These additives can improve properties such as tear resistance, heat resistance, or color, enabling the production of customized rubber components. The rubber injection molding process is widely used in various fields of products. The main process of this technology involves injecting the molten rubber compound into the mold cavity, where it is cooled and cured to form the desired shape. The raw materials used in the rubber injection molding process largely determine the performance and quality of the final product. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription, and consultation to get more industry information.